So this week I've been doing some work on the roadblocks going to prevent me from switching to the specific format of node data and keys. So there was a piece of functionality there that where I just made static functions for the B-tree operations, and they were going to get in the way of the refactoring that I was going to do. I could perhaps have passed the metadata through the operation functions, but the more I thought about it, the more I thought, well, I probably should put the data into a parameter to pass through those things. And the more I thought about that parameter, the more I thought, oh, well, it's just going to be the B-tree object itself anyway. So I decided to bring those functions into the B-tree themselves. They seemed like a good idea at the time to make them stateless, but yeah, like I was starting to pass too much state through them anyway, and so they didn't deserve to exist anymore. They've gone into the main B-tree class, and I'm just starting now to look at what I need to do to the B-tree node data structure to make that better able to take the new metadata data structure, and that I think that I'm going to have to distinguish between the operations that do things for leaf nodes and for branch nodes, because they will need different metadata. Like, for example, so what I want to do is store the data in a particular format in the value nodes with the key and the other data points in their natural positions, but in the index nodes, so branch nodes, just store the data that I need for the keys and none of the value stuff, except for obviously the references to the other node, the next node down in the tree. So that I feel like there are still one or two roadblocks there, and there's a chance that I introduce problems by doing this. So I'm just going to put in some abstractions to hopefully help me identify when those things are going to happen. But that work should hopefully move forward once I've got those abstractions in place. So that's what I'm planning to do this week. Hopefully goes pretty smoothly. Anyway, that's my update for this week. If you like what I'm doing, let me know, and I'll see you next time.